What is driving the stock market up today? AI. What's going on, guys? It's Ricky with TechBud Solutions. I'm literally not joking. Anytime anything about AI is said, it causes the market to skyrocket. Check this out. Microsoft just 1 hour ago sent out a little announcement, meaning that they're raising their prices for some of their AI products. This is sending their stock into, check this out. It was, if I'm not mistaken, Microsoft was in the red. It went from being in the red on the open today to all of a sudden 1 hour ago absolutely taking off. And obviously the market cap is very important. Microsoft's market cap is $2.71 trillion, meaning that if this thing goes up, then of course it's going to drive the rest of the market with it. The reason I'm sharing this with you, again, it's very important to understand the different factors and the different catalysts that move the market up or down. Because if these catalysts are short-lived, then when those correct themselves, then so will the rest of the market. But as of right now, congratulations to all of the bulls out there. It's performing very, very well. Also, NVIDIA being part of this, huge gap up, again, 1 hour ago. As of right now, from overall lows of 460 to current highs of 472 is pretty much what we're touching right now. To me, market's looking very overbought, very overextended. But even then, right, we're at 52-week highs for NASDAQ market. Am I wrong? 52-week highs for NASDAQ market. And even then, we have Tesla reporting earnings tomorrow after the market closes. I'm thinking about live streaming it, so make sure you subscribe to the channel. And then we have big tech reporting earnings next week, such as the Googles, the Microsoft, the Amazon, and Apple. It's going to be an absolute insane week. And even with the market this overbought, if you are asking the question, can the market continue to rise? Put on your seatbelt, because the simple answer is of course, right? We've seen it many times. I wanted to actually show you an example of this. I got asked yesterday, Ricky, Tesla is super overbought. People know that I'm pretty conservative when it comes down to this, right? They're like, hey, Ricky, Tesla is super overbought. It just came from a nice rally. Do you think that it's going to crash during earnings? I want to share with you, this is why no one knows, right? Because we've had earnings before, literally almost at this exact price point, where it reports earnings and then shortly after it falls. Okay, that's good to know, right? I'm showing you guys this. But I'm not just going to show you one side of thing. This is not, this is not CNN. I don't know why I would even say that. But with earnings, right, one of the other previous earnings, as you can see right on over here, 10/21/2021, we could see that when it reported earnings, it was also at that same level. And guess what? It skyrocketed, right? There is no what has happened in the past before, and it has to happen this time, because both scenarios have happened. It reports earnings and then it sells off. It reports earnings and then it gaps up. It sometimes reports earnings and then it breaks even, right? There is no guarantee. At the end of the day, do not put yourself in a simple position that you cannot tolerate. It is literally that simple. Yes, we are approaching a potential resistance range, but if whatever it is that Tesla reports with its future guidance comes out to be better than expected, AI, right, then potentially expect Tesla to hit highs of $300 a share. If it comes in lower than expected and guidance is off, then of course market can potentially pull on back. Overall, do not put yourself in a position in which you cannot tolerate. As of right now, NASDAQ market is not stopping. Just when we thought that it was overbought yesterday and the day before that and the day before that, literally on the day chart, like, it is so consistently bullish and it's literally struggling to pull on back. There's just so much news about AI. There's so much news that is positive with the overall inflation rate, and yet the market still continues to rise. Check this out. The Fed rate monitor tool. This is the part that's pretty insane to me. A 98% probability that the Federal Reserve will be raising interest rates on the next FOMC meeting. And guess what? Markets are still rising. I guess the markets just do not care, and or it's already factored in and they're okay with it, with interest rates rising, making it more expensive for everyone to borrow money, right? As right now, NASDAQ up 0.46%. Apple is down. So this is the quite surprising part. If it wasn't for Microsoft and NVIDIA, the rest of the market will most likely be down, right? Because Apple has a $3 trillion market cap. Apple's like, I don't care what's going on with Microsoft, right? It's heading back down. It's correcting itself. Amazon kind of teeter-tottering along the way. Meta, a lot of consolidation. Microsoft, the only one that continuously is gapping up. But how long will this last, right? Just as quick as it gaps up, will it gap down? Again, the only people that are pissed when the stock market pulls back are those that did not prepare, right? We all know this. Google, pointing down. Literally everything is pointing down except for NVIDIA and except for Microsoft. So let's not overcomplicate it and do not put yourself in a position in which you cannot tolerate. And there it goes. QQQ is about to hit 0.5% gain on the day, and again, 52-week highs. If you guys have any questions, you guys know exactly how to reach out to me, but I just wanted to make sure that you guys understood what exactly was causing the market to go up. And now you know Microsoft and NVIDIA running up due to AI. And again, Tesla does report earnings tomorrow. I will be live streaming it after the market closes. I hope that it earned your thumbs up. Please consider subscribing if you guys haven't done so already. And again, if you want to be able to watch me trade live as soon as tomorrow when the market opens, that's going to be the second link in the description down below. We had a great live session today. If you missed it, again, either feel free to go rewatch it, or we'll see you tomorrow at market open for our live session. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.